friends! Today, we are going to learn the English alphabet. Let's begin!
A.
Great!
A.
For apple.
B.
Nice.
B.
For ball.
C.
Nice.
C.
For cat.
D.
Amazing.
D.
For dog.
E.
Awesome.
E.
For elephant.
F.
Nice.
F.
For fish.
G.
Awesome.
G.
For grapes.
H.
Excellent.
H.
For hen.
I.
Great.
I.
For ice cream.
J.
Nice.
J.
For joker.
K.
Great.
K.
For kite.
L.
Amazing.
L.
For lion.
M.
Excellent.
M.
For monkey.
N.
Nice.
N.
For nest.
O.
Awesome.
O.
For owl.
P.
Awesome.
P.
For parrot.
Q.
Amazing.
Q.
For queen.
R.
Amazing.
R.
For rabbit.
S.
Nice.
S.
For sun.
T.
Amazing.
T.
For train.
U.
Great.
U.
For umbrella.
V.
Nice.
V.
For violin.
W.
Great.
W.
For watermelon.
X.
Excellent.
X.
For Xmas tree.
Y.
Amazing.
Y.
For yak.
Z.
Amazing.
Z.
For zebra.
Wow! You did a great job, friends. Now, let's practice the small letters of the English alphabet again. Let's go!
A,
Awesome.
A,
For apple.
B,
Great.
B,
For ball.
C,
Awesome.
C,
For cat.
D,
Awesome.
D,
For dog.
E,
Great.
E,
For elephant.
F,
Excellent.
F,
For fish.
G,
Nice.
G,
For grapes.
H,
Nice.
H,
For hen.
I,
Excellent.
I,
For ice cream.
J,
Nice.
J,
For joker.
K,
Excellent.
K,
For kite.
L,
Great.
L,
For lion.
M,
Awesome.
M,
For monkey.
N,
Awesome.
N,
For nest.
O,
Nice.
O,
For owl.
P,
Awesome.
P,
For parrot.
Q,
Awesome.
Q,
For queen.
R,
Amazing.
R,
For rabbit.
S,
Great.
S,
For sun.
T,
Awesome.
T,
For train.
U,
Amazing.
U,
For umbrella.
V,
Excellent.
V,
For violin.
W,
Awesome.
W,
For watermelon.
X,
Amazing.
X,
For Xmas tree.
Y,
Awesome.
Y,
For yak.
Z,
Nice.
Z,
For zebra.